Welcome to the video, how to open an offshore bank account in 2025. A very quick to the point guide. A quick one about me and our business. We have opened up many offshore bank accounts now, probably over 50, over 60, close to 100. We've done multiple offshore trust formations, helped many clients with private banking globally, 7, 8, 9 figure, even up to close to 10 figure. The company has been running for well over 2 decades. So every year we are seeing a big increase in sovereign wealth and people wanting to move their assets and their wealth and their business offshore around the world. Now we hear all the time, I'm going to move to Dubai. The truth is that is not the only option. That is a level 1 beginner option and mindset. Now the reasons why someone would open an offshore bank account: legal in most countries, you just have to report it properly with proper compliance. Anything can be legal. Stronger banking systems, for example, in Singapore, is much stronger banking than the US. The Switzerland can be included in this as well. Currency diversification, Singapore dollars, euro, CHF, a lot better than USD, pounds, how it's going currently. Obviously, these currencies like the pound and the US dollar, we used to be the powerhouses, but it's changing rapidly, and this is why we're seeing a lot of wealth diversification across the world. You might want global investment access, you might want a backup, a plan B around the world. Again, more protection, higher yield and asset protection. For example, when the banks failed in 2023, the ones with offshore, they slept well at night. But the ones without, pretty much, and the same can be said for 2008 as well. What is offshore and the 3 types of offshore accounts mainly? So we have retail, priority and private banking. We do not really deal with retail, we deal with priority and private banking. So for retail, you're looking at $100 to 5K-ish. Debit card, daily use, very fast setup, 1 to 3 days. Examples can be Georgia or Montenegro. Georgia is an excellent place for digital nomads who want to live kind of cheaply and affordably while still getting all of the benefits of being offshore and being global. Priority, minimum 50K to 250K. Multi-currency investments. You want a relationship manager. So I cannot tell you how long it's going to get done because it depends on your current situation. Examples would be Singapore and Bahamas. Private banking is where it gets interesting and is really where our focus is. Minimum 500K to 2 million plus. Very discreet wealth management, as you can imagine. Everything is very secret and secure. You have custom structures, custom funds, custom formations. Examples for this would be Liechtenstein and Switzerland. Very powerful for crypto, iGaming and more high risk, high yield payments. So remember, this video is quick and let me plug it in right now. This is not financial advice and this is not legal advice. Check down below in the description for my email or my contact. If you want to get set up with our company, we'll get you set up very quickly, securely, and you'll be part of a high network getting the best financial step-by-step services in the world. So quickly, the 4-step setup flow goes like this. Step 1, you have to pick your jurisdiction. Georgia, very fast and low cost. Singapore, premium and stable economy. British Virgin Islands and Belize, offshore friendly. UAE, real estate and crypto friendly. So pick your jurisdiction based on your needs. Step 2, are you going to do a personal or corporate? Personal, easier, simpler. Corporate needs incorporation, UBO docs, KYC, and go through a lot more of the compliance structure. Now step 3, are you going to do it remote or in person? Power of attorney or fly-in, book appointment in advance. Again, we help you for all of this. There's a lot to be said on each step, but we're trying to get through the video very quickly. Step 4, submit your documents. Passport, proof of address, source of wealth, entity docs if possible. The most important information you need for your business account basically is what I'm saying. Now, common mistakes to avoid. Now, this part is very important because I know there's a lot of information out there on YouTube and whatever else you're searching for. So if you're expecting to get a Swiss bank for 1K, nope, never going to happen. If you're assuming that a private banker is also going to handle your tax and many other steps, nope. If you think only having one bank is okay, no, it's a very big risk. If there's ever a problem with the bank or the jurisdiction that the bank is in, then you're in for a lot of trouble or potential trouble. Ignoring FATCA or CRS reporting rules, again, in Forpoint Solutions, which is our company, we go very compliant every single step of the way. Everything is legal, everything is protected, making sure you get the most highest class in service. And again, a little plug in here for the fix. Just work with us. It's very simple. I don't need to sugarcoat it. I don't need to hide it. It's just true. Work with us and you get the best. So what do we do? At Forpoint Solutions, what do we do? So we're not just bank account openers. We are the back end that gets all of the shit done, right? Now, I see on YouTube and many other areas, you have consultants, you have certain people, they might help you set up a citizenship or an offshore bank account, maybe 1 or 2. In our company, we are the people who do their full operations from A to Z. Pretty much everything, right? So when you see these lawyers or something else, what they will do is then they will give you a price and then they will come to us and then we'll get the stuff done. So with this video, you are finding out the information straight from the source. So let's go through a quick service and a little bit of detail. So for an offshore company setup, we have 60 plus jurisdictions, including UAE, BVI, Singapore. For an offshore bank account, personal plus corporate, including your remote setups, we can handle anything, which is our payment company. Now this is where we handle high risk friendly, low fee IBANs, multi-currency, help with the iGaming, crypto and more. Now crypto, EMI, CFD licensing, fast track access to financial regulatory setups. We can help you with the licensing on all of this. Asset protection trusts, family, charitable or hybrid structures. Now with tax, residency and structuring, we have tailored legal strategies to optimize your location, tax and compliance. With the service nominee and privacy solutions, directors, shareholders and POA, full compliance all of the way. Remember, compliance is a very big part of what we do. As long as you have compliance, then you are legal. So let's go through this quickly. What is the best type for you and your situation? So if you need an emergency banking, Georgia or Montenegro retail account, because it's quick, it's easy, we can get it done in less than a week. Daily international payments, FINS payments, multi-currency account, crypto cash out solutions, UAE, Bahamas, and our whole onboarding. If you have lots of crypto and you need it cashed out securely in private banks, maybe in one country or many jurisdictions, again, we can help you. Multi-bank structure, retail and priority combo in 2 to 3 jurisdictions is the solution. A fully anonymous setup, we use the anonymity services and a layered trust model. If your goal is asset protection and estate planning, then our solution is offshore trust and regulated banks second residency. Now this is the type of video that we could have spoke for 2 hours, 3 hours, 10 hours, but we want to get it quick and to the point. To be honest, this video is for you to get in contact with me so we can get you set up on a tailored structure for your specific business or situation. Now we help entrepreneurs, crypto whales, fund managers and many more create global banking systems that protect your capital, earn yield and unlock sovereign freedom. Email me or contact me down below in the description. No gimmicks, no courses, real banking, real solutions, real people. Thank you very much.